Bloor is a home to a vibrant, exceptional school community. Students here have every opportunity to explore and pursue their academic interests and passions through a wide range of extracurricular activities. I'll be sharing information about our countless clubs, competitive varsity sports, our thriving arts programs, essential Indigenous education initiatives, and our fantastic new school building. Ask anyone about our new school, and you'll hear nothing but incredibly positive things. The space is simply beautiful. The architecture and interior design are stunning. The acoustics are surprisingly excellent in the glassy, open spaces, and we're flooded with natural light. We have created intentional nooks for students to gather, and we have a wonderful, large gymnasium. Plus, we boast outstanding specialty rooms for music, art, robotics, sciences, and computer science, alongside a glorious high-ceilinged library complete with spectacular city views. We discover new ways to leverage its unique features for our students' benefit every single day. Blure is home to what feels like an endless array of clubs, truly reflecting our diverse student body. We offer a club for every interest imaginable, from robotics and wellness to law and sewing. You will certainly find something valuable that will enrich your time at Blure, connect you with people who share your interests, and give you the chance to pursue the things you care about. Our varsity sports program provides a competitive yet welcoming environment where students can pursue athletic excellence through our many teams. If you're passionate about a sport, chances are there's a team for it right here at Bloor. Our arts education program offers an incredible opportunity for students to unlock their creative side, whether that means honing an already established skill or exploring a talent they never knew they had. This year, Bloor CI continues its performing arts excellence by presenting the musical The Little Mermaid. Bloor has been deeply committed to building an academic program where all courses reflect on and respond to the goals of truth and reconciliation. Specifically, 2 courses are delivered through an Indigenous lens: Grade 9 Visual Art and Grade 11 English.
At Blure, science curriculum is enriched, starting in Grade 9 with hands-on investigation labs, design challenges, guest speakers, and experiential learning. Some examples include owl pollet dissections, constructing a rodent skeleton to explore food web and biodiversity, a forensic chemistry lab, 3D modeling with Tinkercad, microbit for understanding electricity and coding, and a Star Lab immersive experience of outer space. Students at BCI participate in mathematics and science competitions. Our students have done consistently well, distinguishing themselves in University of Waterloo contests. Students enrolled in the TOPS program are cohorted in their math and science courses and are working towards a top certificate upon graduation. Details will be updated on the TOPS website as we revise the requirements. In October, our Grade 9 students attended a 3-day overnight camp at YMCA Camp Pinecrest, which provides a beautiful setting to experience nature as part of our ecosystem studies and to build community within the cohort. This is always a favorite tradition in the program that creates lasting memories for our TOPS cohort. BCI students have a unique opportunity to choose advanced placement courses in grades 11 and 12. This applies to any student who is excelling in the STEM fields when entering grade 11. AP courses are designed to prepare students to write the AP exams, which happen in May and are set by the AP College Board in the US. These courses have more content at an accelerated pace. Visit the Talks on Blur website for more information and to direct you to the Central Admissions information page. There are 2 primary ways to apply to Blur. The first is through your home school if you reside within our catchment area. The second is through our specialized, highly regarded TOPS program. If you currently attend a TDSB middle school within our catchment area, and you live within our catchment area, your EIC guidance counselor will ensure you submit your course selection sheet. That's all you need to do. If you're applying to our TOPS program, please note that the application and admissions processes for all TDSB specialized programs have recently changed. To apply to TOPS, students must either meet the age, residency, and citizenship or eligible immigration status requirements to attend a TDSB school as set out in the Admission Eligibility Requirements PR 518, or be currently registered at a TDSB school.
Applications for September 2026 will be open from Monday, November 24th to Friday, December 12th, 2025, closing promptly at noon. You can find the most up-to-date information on the TDSB's Central Admissions Office website. Please note, for the 2026-2027 school year, Bloor CI is a closed school. This means there is no optional attendance available for Bloor. If you do not live in our catchment area or enter through the TOPS program, you cannot attend our school. Be sure to stay in touch. Visit our website or follow us on social media. We truly hope you enjoy exploring our wonderful school today and that you soon join the ranks of our Golden Bears.